and they're off, and the lead is taken by Royal Jeddah from the outside. Here's Royal Jeddah, followed by Speedy Kim by the rail in second, and Simple Beauty running in third, Malihim and Abasta, and bringing up the rear is Utero. The mid-back stretch, Royal Jeddah by 3.5 lengths, followed by Speedy Kim on the outside in second, Simple Beauty, and Malihim moving up on the inside, Abasta in between horses. Rounding the far 10, there is still Royal Jeddah by 3.5 lengths, and Speedy Kim moving up now on the outside in second, and by the rear, Simple Beauty, Abasta. And the last bend for home, it is still Royal Jeddah in the lead, followed by Simple Beauty in second, and on the outside is entry number 1, and that is Speedy Kim, Abasta, and Malihim. And at the top of the stretch is Royal Jeddah and Simple Beauty in between horses. And into the home stretch and nearing the Fairfly, Royal Jeddah, Simple Beauty moving up on the outside, and by the rail is Abasta and Speedy Kim on the further outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is now Simple Beauty in the lead. And finally at the payoff line, it's Simple Beauty, Abasta, Royal Jeddah, Speedy Kim, Malihim, and Utero.